For any natural number n, suppose the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is n into, sorry, n plus 2n whole square. If the nth term of the progression is divisible by 9, then the smallest value of n is what is the question. Okay. For any natural number n, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, positive integers, correct? So put n is equals to 1 and it will give you the first term itself of the progression, because sum up to one term. Sum up to one term means what? Only one term, right? So you will have what? 1 plus 2 times of 1 square. So your first term is clear that it is 3. Now, when you put n is equals to 2 in this piece, it will give you sum up to two terms, 1 and 2. First term and the second term addition it will give you. So what is that? 2 plus 2 times of 2 square. 2 square is 4 into 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. That means your first term is 3 plus your second term, let's call it as A2. The total should be 10. That means the second term will turn out to be equals to what? 7. So now I have my first term as 3, my second term as 7, and it is given to me that it is an arithmetic progression. Then it is natural that A3 will be 4 more than 7, which will make it 11. A4 will become what? A4 will become 4 more 15, and so on and so forth. Right? Now, you are looking at nth term of the progression, and that is divisible by 9. What is the nth term of the progression? A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear? This term, nth term, is turning out to be of the format of 9 times of k. Clear? Because it is divisible by 9. So I'm writing that as 9k. First term is 3. Common difference is what? Common difference is 4. So this number turns out to be what? 3 plus 4n minus of 4. So then this gives me what? 4n minus of 1 is the value of 9. Now, for what minimum value of n will 4n minus 1 turn out to be divisible by 9 is what we need to look at, right? So if you look at the divisibility of 9, you can say either 4n plus 1 should be 9, 18, 27, so on and so forth, correct? If 4n minus 1 is equals to 9, then 4n will turn out to be equals to 10. N is not an integer, and n is a term number, so it cannot be a fraction. So 4n equals to 10 is not possible. Now 4n minus 1 is equals to 18. That will give me what? 4n is equals to 19. Again, not possible. 4n minus 1 equals to 27 will give me what? 4n is equals to 28. That will give me what? N equals to 7. That's the lowest possible value and your answer. You could have also done one more thing, that after coming down to this point, you can put in the values from the options as the value of n and check the lowest value. First, you should check for n equals to 4, then followed by 7, because you are looking at the smallest possible value of n. So the answer to this question is option B, 7.